What's up, Homestead Homies? It's Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. And we are having another snow day today. The other day, Doug did a video. We're doing a giveaway, so check that above there. But when he was doing it, the weather was pretty nice. And today, it's just going up and down. We're like on the biggest roller coaster ever. Hopefully, spring will be here soon. But I'm doing spring cleaning. I might as well be useful in this time that I'm stuck in the house. So I wanted to show you my little recipe that I have. And I'm kind of, you know, my cabinets are polished, but I'm just going to kind of restore them. So it's kind of like a polished, cleaner, restore. So come on over and let's see what I'm going to put together, and we're going to do some spring cleaning. It only needs 3 ingredients. I'm going to do some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar. Now, or you can do white distilled vinegar. I'm doing the apple cider vinegar because it's darker and I have dark cabinets. If you have lighter cabinets, because it could stain it, I would use the white distilled. So dark cabinets, this one is the apple cider vinegar, and white for the lighter cabinets. And then you're going to need some lemons, a large lemon, because you're probably going to need like 1/4 of a cup of the lemon juice. So I've juiced my lemon. I got about 1/4 of a cup. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in here, my little jar. And then when I make my recipe, I don't want my cabinets to be too oily. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1 part of my oil to 2 parts of my vinegar. So I'm going to put more of my vinegar in there to 2 parts. So I just kind of eyeball it. Just like that. Then I'm going to shake it up. Just like that. And here's my polisher. So let's get cleaning. Make sure to use a nice flannel or a cotton cloth, and those work the best when you're doing your polishing or your restoring of your. And then you're just going to go ahead and get your towel, kind of saturated with it. And all I'm going to do is take it and just gently rub it like that. Looking good. And the cool thing I was just thinking about, all right? So I did it with the 2 parts vinegar, about a big large lemon or 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And then I also did the olive oil, 1 part of that. That's what I do for my salad dressing. I can basically eat my cleaner from my wood. I mean, how cool is that? Because, you know, we don't want to have these toxins in our lives anymore, in our products that we're cleaning with and putting on our skin. I mean, this is absorbing in my skin. There's no problem. I could just drink this, but I have my rag in there. I don't want to do that. But, I mean, literally, guys, make a little extra. All right? So, you know what? If you can't eat your cleaner for your wood, then, you know, don't use it. And the other thing is Doug did he cleaned the floors one day for me, and he did a really good video. So he did a cleaner for floors. It's a little bit different than this one. I'll link that video above. But I hope you guys are having a good spring, and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you haven't ordered a shirt yet, the links will be below, and I will see you guys later. See ya. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.